Good morning friends, today it's 24th of Jan 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty, Bank Nifty futures and sectoral analysis is as follows. Nifty 50 spot closed at 23,205 up 0.22%. Since last Friday we have been saying that 23,200 for Nifty spot is going to be a crucial level for bulls and bears short terms, make or break point, and we have witnessed that this week it has hovered around 23,200 up and down. Finally it ended once again yesterday at 23,200 mark. So going forward, the closing for this week as a whole will be important. For the day today we are expecting a positive round of session. We are getting positive global cues since last almost 2 weeks and our market continues to underperform. So there can be some kind of attempt to bridge this underperformance gap, and as an outcome the index can attempt higher levels in days to come. So for the day today, Nifty spot holding over and above 23,200 mark should be traded with a positive bias. Yesterday Bank Nifty ended the session slightly in red, down 0.28% at 48,590 levels. There also, as per the price study, we have been saying that holding over and above 47,500, 48,000 zone, the bias remains range to pull back with a potential and expected midterm target come resistance at around 50,500 to 51,000 mark. So we have seen high volatility in banking space in last few sessions, and going forward we still continue to hold the outlook that holding over and above 48,500, 48,000 mark, the bias remains range to positive. For the day traders, for Nifty futures, intraday dips towards 23,150 and 23,30 levels can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while pullback towards 23,420 and 23,520 can be looked for selling. Option data indicates 23,000 maximum call put build-up and 24,000 as maximum call build-up. Thus, it indicates a range between 23,000 with a strong resistance at 24,000 mark. For the day traders, for Bank Nifty futures, intraday players can look for buying on dips towards 48,500 and 48,150 levels, while sell on rise towards 49,150 and 49,450 can be looked keeping strict stop loss of 100 odd points. There, as per the monthly OI data for Bank Nifty, 50,000 call has maximum call build-up, while 47,500 is maximum put build-up, indicating a broad range of 47,500 in 50,000 zone for the trading for buy on dip and sell on rise outlook. As mentioned yesterday, Nifty 50 ended plus 0.2%, while Bank Nifty ended minus 0.28%. It was the mid cap and small cap along with the Nifty IT which outperformed yesterday. Nifty mid cap index ended at 54,100 plus 1.8%, while Nifty small cap ended at 17,365 with a gain of 1.12%. Nifty IT bounced back sharply yesterday and it ended at 43,351 with a gain of 1.8%. There the counters like Coforge ended up 12% at 91.96 levels. Holding above 8,000, the counter Coforge can attempt towards 11,000 mark, so buy on dip remains the outlook for delivery point of view. LTIM ended at 6,000 odd levels, support remains at 5,400 with a potential target come resistance at 7,200 mark. LTTS, which ended at 5,453 levels, has a support at 5,000 and resistance at 6,000. Same for Emphasis, which ended at 2918, support is at around 2,700 mark and resistance at 3,200 mark with buy on dip outlook. Wipro and Tech Mahindra also remains on range to positive pullback. Apart from that, rest of the counters remains range to slightly down. If we talk about Nifty FMCG, which ended at 55,781 up 0.33%, this segment has a yearly silver line support come resistance at around 57,500, so it's slightly trading under that. Nifty FMCG is at a make or break point for short term players, so some buying interest selectively can be looked into Nifty FMCG. Nifty Pharma Index, which ended at 22,343, it was up 1.4% yesterday. It has an important resistance at 22,500. Sustaining above 22,500, Nifty Pharma Index can also witness some kind of pullback, otherwise it will remain in range. Nifty Auto Index, which ended at 22,517, ended 1.1% up yesterday. It has an important support at 22,000 mark. Holding above 22,000, Nifty Auto Index remains range to pullback outlook. While Nifty Metal Index, which ended at 8515 levels, it was also up 0.53%. Since September 24 highs of 10,263, it has made a low of 79.35. So it has corrected almost 23% in last 6 months, in last 3+ months, and thus it is finding support at around 8,000 mark. So Nifty Metal Index holding above 8,000 is open for 9,000 mark. Indian VIX is trading at 16.69. So India VIX average mean price of last 3 years remains within a range of 17 to 20. So it remains within that range and it's normal. So net we are expecting a range to positive sessions in next few days of trading sessions. Let's see, trading above 23,200 for Nifty 50 and 48,000 for Bank Nifty should be traded with a range to pullback outlook. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.